Hey, welcome to Quadrilaterals. Today we're going to be looking at attributes of quadrilaterals. And so, first of all quadrilaterals, we need to have at least how many sides? 4 sides. So if a shape doesn't have 4 sides, we don't have to give them any of these definitions because it's not a quadrilateral. But quadrilaterals can actually be classified further than just quadrilateral. And so here are some other definitions we can use for quadrilaterals. So the first thing is it has to have 4 sides. Then a parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has both pairs of opposite sides parallel and equal in length. So you can see here, this side, the 2-inch side and the 2-inch side are both parallel to each other, meaning they'll never touch. They go on for infinity and they never touch. And then our 5-inch side and our 5-inch side are also parallel and they don't touch. So they're both parallel. They're also equal in length. So 5 and 5, 2 and 2. That's a parallelogram. A rectangle is a parallelogram. So those 2 sides are the same length, 2 sides same, but it also has 4 right angles. Okay, so a rectangle is a rectangle also a parallelogram? Yes. Is a rectangle also a quadrilateral? Yes. So a rectangle is a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, and a rectangle. Now, a rhombus is a parallelogram with all sides the same length. So, again, it's a parallelogram because it has, right? It fits that definition because are the sides equal in length? Yep, 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. The difference between a rhombus and a parallelogram is a rhombus, all sides are the same length. So we've got 4, 4, 4, and 4. So then we have a square. A square is a rectangle with all sides the same length. And the reason why it's a rectangle is because it has 4 right angles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's even to classify it even further as all sides are the same length. Now, because all sides are the same length, is it also a rhombus? Yes, because a rhombus, we're not talking about the angles. We're only talking about if the sides are parallel, which they are, and these sides are parallel, and if all sides are the same length. So a square is a rhombus, but a rhombus is not a square because it doesn't have the right angles. And then finally, we have our trapezoid. And a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. So a trapezoid, the sides, not all sides, are parallel. These two, this 3-inch side and this 2-inch side, eventually they will cross. Whereas this side here is 2 inches and this side here, which is 6 inches, you can't see it got cut off, but they will never touch. So because these 2 sides are parallel to each other and only one side is parallel, we call that a trapezoid. Okay, so those are the definitions. I'm going to stop this video and make another one to go over the actual work with you.